science, road traffic science. So I was using TensorFlow neural network to train the computer to recognize traffic sign images. So the basic overview of the process of convolutional neural network, or a CNN, is the basic structure diagram. So as you can see, first of all, we have as input, we have the individual pixels of an image, the pixel representation of an image. So in this project, I was using data from the GTSRB, that is the German Traffic Sign Recognition benchmark. So I was reading the images pixel by pixel using a module called CV2 Python. So it represents images as Python arrays. It's actually NumPy arrays. So we have an image here as an input. Then to our image we apply convolution. Convolution basically is a process of applying a filter to this images rather. So how we apply the filter, we use what is called a kernel matrix. So basically kernel matrix is just some matrix with a bunch of numbers. So what we do to the pixels, for each and every pixels, we multiply the pixels by the numbers in that kernel matrix, and then we add up the results. So what convolution does is basically we are trying to extract some edges from our image. In the same time, we are trying to reduce the size of the image. So convolution, you can see here we had one input, but we have multiple outputs. So what we'll be doing is we try not just one kernel matrix. There are different types of kernel matrix, or different, because you can have different numbers in the kernel matrix. So we try, say, maybe 50, 100 kernel matrix. So in this, the images, you can see we reduce the number of pixels which are required to represent one image. So for example, in this project, I was using max pooling, which is basically, you say, I was pulling from a 2x2. That was my pool size. So from a 2x2 cell, I take the maximum out of that 2x2 cell. So we reduce the size of our image. So the pool size, as I said, was 2x2. And then after that, we do flattening. Flattening basically is just feeding in to, let's run our model. Let's try to run our model. Let's see how it does, how accurate it is in recognizing traffic sign images. So we type Python traffic. So the name of the source file, traffic.py. Then we provide the dataset. In this case, is GTSRB, the German Traffic Sign Recognition benchmark. So now it's loading the data. It takes quite some time. So now, as you can see, it's done loading the data. So now we are training. We are training. Actually going to train 10 times. As you can see here, it's epoch 1 of 10. And as it trains, you can see the accuracy over here and the loss. So I want to improve this accuracy as we train the model. So now our AI is done training, and as you can see here, the final accuracy of the AI was 94%, over 94%. So what this means is our AI was able to recognize 94% of the traffic signs in the data set. If you ask me, that's actually better than most drivers. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. That's the end.